What is this?
Recording.
Oh yeah.
Then you can revise after.
Revise, you pay attention better. Okay, some of you are not following, so I hope I wish you well. Okay. So now so far okay, right? Oh. Okay, now with this one we can go to the advanced already, right? Okay, let's go to advanced. Okay, so we have finished up to here. Okay, there's a second one. Okay, we do the first one first. First one is this one. Button control now. Okay, we are going to add the run button. Okay, we are going to add the run button. Okay, and then when you click run, you have to do something. Okay, that's all. So I'm going to do on the spot here. Okay, so any one of you has done already or not this one? Okay, I'm going to add a run button somewhere below. Okay. So I go to the toolbox button. Okay, I'm going to put somewhere here. Okay, this is my button. Okay, I need to give a name, so I'm going to say the button. Okay, BT stands for button run. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to give a name to this button so that in my program I know which button it is. Okay. Secondly, I want to change this label, okay, this text to run. Okay. Where do you change? You scroll down here. Okay. You see here there's something called button. Okay. This button is referring to the wording here. Okay. So now I just going to change to run. I change to run. Okay. I can also change the size of this wording. Okay. I scroll up here. Under text, you click on the text. Okay. Now it's 15 pixel right now. Okay. I make it bigger. Now I want to 24. Okay. Okay, so I got one button ready. I'm adding one button. Okay. Okay, I want you to read this statement carefully. Create a button. So we have done this already, right? Okay, next step. You see what it means. You must know what it means. In the button click method. Okay, in the button click method. Okay. Add 12 and 18 pixels to rectangles, one width and height. Okay. Minus 10 and 60 from rectangles, width and height. Okay. So there will be a one method here. Okay. You need to generate this button, this method. Okay. So let me go back here. Okay. Let me show you this code now. Now our code, you see, got nothing. You see, so far we only have done this one function only, right? One method only, right? Okay, are you following? Yes. Now in my list, I got only one function only, so I need to have the button click method right now. You go back to the GUI. Okay, double click on it. Double click. Okay, this one will come out automatically. Okay. This one will come up automatically. Okay. Now I need to write code inside here, right? So when I click run, okay, the code will execute and then do something for you. So what do we want the code to do? Okay, someone tell me.
Reduce the width.
Okay, I will. Rectangle 1 dot width should be what?
75.
75? Why 75?
Must be 75. So as I see number.
All pay attention here. Okay, let me go back to here. All pay attention. Otherwise, if you don't pay attention, okay, there are many implications. For example, if you do something, some step wrong, and then cannot compile, then you are lost. You cannot proceed. Even you know how to code subsequent one, also no use. You cannot proceed. That's why the steps here I'm going through step by step. Make sure you are following. So for those of you who are interested in getting better marks, pay attention and all. Okay. So I'm going to switch back here. Switch back here. Okay. Basically, you have a run, right? Okay. He asks you to do this. Okay. Just now double click, right? The method came out already. Okay. Now write the code to add 12 and 18 to rectangles one width and height. Okay. So I'm going to do this part first. Okay, what does this mean? Anyone not clear about these two statements?
Plus the value to the rectangle.
To the previous one. Okay, so I'm going to run now. I'm going to run now. Okay, this one because we need to create a rectangle also later. So let me do. Okay, let me do one part first. Okay, we need to create two rectangles. Okay, I'm going to create two rectangles. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do this rectangle. Okay. First one I call it here. I call it, give a name called rectangle 1. Follow the naming given to you. Rectangle 1. Okay, just like that. Okay, you can make it bigger if you want. Okay, I'm going to create another one. Rectangle 2. Okay, I put below. Somewhere here, anywhere you like. Okay, name it as rectangle 2. Okay, so I got 2 So let me come back to here. Okay, previously you should have done this one. Rectangle 1 b equals to plus equals to 8. The other one is minus 10, 16. Okay, so. This one is minus. Minus. What should it be? 10, 16. Okay, so each time I click one of the rectangle, I want to increase in size. The other one I want to reduce in size. Okay, that's what it means. Then let's go back to here. Here this part has to be, the below one should be minus and not plus. Okay. Then go next one. We have created a rectangle. Then inside here, okay, we are going to do below. Okay, so we are going to add these two statements inside this button click method. Okay, so what this means is here rectangle Okay, meaning, okay, let me run this one. Okay, so now we are going to change rectangle 1 only. We haven't do the for rectangle 2. Okay. Okay, so this is the original one. If I run right, okay, rectangle 2 won't change because I didn't write the code for rectangle 2. I only do this one. So you see here. Okay. When I run a rectangle 1 will keep increasing. See, it will keep increasing. Okay. Wrong one. Okay. This one is rectangle 1, right? Okay. Okay, let's go back and check. Why is it like that? Rectangle. Let me run again. Rectangle 1 should be increasing. Let me try the other one. I'm doing the second one. Oh, I know why already. Sorry. Can someone tell me where? Anyway, at the same time, I'm going to change rectangle 2 also. Okay, the reason is because I cut and paste didn't change this one to rectangle 2, so it comes in minus also. Okay? So this one should be rectangle 2. Okay? Okay, so one is always increased, one should be reduced. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, one increase, right? The other one keep reducing, you know. You can see that. Oh, yeah, gone already. Okay, there's a limit. Okay, so the code for this button 9 inside the button is this one. Okay, this one. Yes. Okay, so this is a question 3, question. Don't follow that one. Wait, let me just okay, let me show you this one. You just go and do this one. Don't go and do the. Just do this one. No need. Leave it. Okay, basically displays area of area of rectangle 1 only. Okay. If let's say you want to display some more, you can do that. Okay, but this one I think will confuse you. You want to display some more area of rectangle 2. Okay, I'm going to do area of rectangle 2. Okay, you can actually add behind, but I'm going to do this one. let me comment on this one first. Okay, basically I'm going to make it clearer. String result or in a result equals to, I'm going to do that. Okay, first one. Okay, then I do the next one. You can join behind, but behind you can see clearly, so I'm going to put in like this. Okay, plus. Okay, I put a new line. Backslash n, new line. Area of rectangle 2. Okay, I change this to rectangle 2. Okay, then I put here I can do like this. Okay, I can do like this at home. Meaning I want to display longer, I can go and put inside a string first. Okay, otherwise put like that, very long, very confusing. Okay, you can slowly go and add. Okay, but using this one, plus you can add. So your string will be longer and longer. Okay, you can have some more line if you want. Oh, this is how we can do. Okay, so let's try. That means the first one will display both area. You can see. Oh. Okay, so you can do that. Oh. Meaning, if you got something to display, if it's too complicated, go and use a variable to store them first. Okay, this is what happened here. Oh. Changing to display area of both rectangle. Just now I just give you an example how to display area of one rectangle. You want to display both, you can just add it. Okay, you can do this. Okay, the other way is you don't need, you just add this one here, plus, add this whole thing. So this is console power. Okay, you come up with a. Show me what you have done first. You better you can do that. I mean the user interface. Where's the user interface? Okay, which one is the yeah. So the next you have to print this one, right? Okay, so before you talk about so show me the Are you following? You said you. Are you not following? You must follow. If you cannot follow this one, this one is just a starting. No, haven't not advanced yet. You know. Okay, I so far I observed some of you are not I'm not familiar or not comfortable with this. I'm going to do this, okay? Instead of doing separately, I just do like that, okay? Plus, okay? And then you just plus this one. Okay, you forget about this part first. Okay, meaning this line comes after this line. Okay, meaning I put a plus. Actually, this line okay, is from here. Okay, I just put an enter, it become here. So it's actually like that. Okay, instead of using the what? Okay, just I put result plus equal, right? Some of you not comfortable. Okay, then you just basically whatever I want to display, you just keep adding. I finish this one, I add some more string that I want to add. I just join it. And I put a new line. Basically, new line means when you display this one, this line will be displayed in the next new line, next line below. Okay, so you can do it like that. Okay. A new one. What is parameter? I don't need. If below you can actually put a result equals to area of a parameter or you can put result this one. You can do the same. You reduce variable, you can reduce variable.
Wanna copy later? Wanna copy? The video. Yep.
Okay. Okay. So at least you now you know how to do right. What was the question? Okay, I'm going to go to the advanced part already. Just for info, this is only the basic part. For the practical test or common test, you know how to do this one, you still cannot pass. The question is from simple to more difficult. Okay, this is the simple part. This is the simple part only. And of course, if you know how to do, okay, it will take you maybe 10 minutes. If you don't know how to do, you got error here and there, maybe take you half an hour or even more. Then you got no time to do other things. That's why today I'm spending all the time for today to go through with you, so that hopefully your practical test and practical common test you can have less problem. Okay? Yes. I don't. But don't do first. Okay, Okay, I'm going to go to the next step now. Okay. Next part is the cash card one. This part.
Both representative and attribute must not be less than 0 or greater than 300.
Okay, that one is just checking whether it's not a problem. Okay, maybe since you brought up, let me just tell you where the checking should be done. Okay, so I'm going to open the practical.
You know what is orange bus? Okay, there are different types of this one is okay, the different types is private. And one that we know is private is only goes to the side. From other ways like this, private is
Okay, this part right? This part is the This is checking, meaning before you do right, okay, you check.
Now, right, they want it to be
If
metal, right? It says on public. The plus three is public. So that's
okay, this is just to check. Okay, basically in this this screen, right? Okay, there's no such thing as negative pixel. Okay, no negative pixel. Okay, and here also tell you that the width don't want to be too big. Okay, so before you go and change, you just check, make sure that the width is at least a 0 or more, and less than or equals to 300. Then you change. If it's out of this one, don't change. Okay, that's what it means. Make sure the width, the number of pixels is not negative. Okay, and then not bigger than 300. Okay, you just put one same thing. You can place here. Do the same for height. Okay, for everyone, you just do. Is that okay? This is for checking. But for checking in the even let's say you didn't check, let's say you can work for the correct value, okay, you will get most of the marks. So this one is minor, okay. If I'm you, I won't be bothered by this one right at the beginning. I don't care about it first. I make sure that it's working first. Is it? Anyone understand? Okay, so do this, okay, at the end. Do this at the end. Make sure that your things are working with the right values. Okay. Okay, this is called checking. Make sure the data are valid data. So each of these is just true, meaning you don't change if this is not true. Okay. Yes. No, it's different thing. Because they are different things. This is You put else if this one is wrong again, you can still come and do.
Okay, then the condition.
Who call me?
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
For this one, it's
Make sure the value that you are changing, right? Okay, is more than 0. Then it's value, consider value. Smaller than 0, you don't have to change the rectangle because the display that I was playing, I think I told you before that it is something now. And there's no such thing as negative pixel. These two lines. Okay, these two lines also very important. This is basically declaring objects of rectangle type. Okay, just like integer n. Okay, this value is going to be used by all the methods. That's why you declare the global. So when I declare this one, you can use rectangle 1, rectangle 2 anywhere you need. Cut list cut list is not this part, right? Yeah, correct. This one is this I want to go to the next one already. But he just asked me to modify the checking only. Okay, I'm going to the next question now. Practical 3, question 2, the cash card one. This one assume you must implement the cash card first. Okay. Okay, for the start. Okay, show you the basic part. Okay, and this one, we are going in a little bit more advanced already. Just now we used text blocks. Now we are using something called list view. Okay, you must understand list view because chances that it will come out again. Okay, if you don't understand list view and how to use list view, okay, I give you good asking for too much, right? Okay, so let's say now I have created this list view. Okay, see my property here. I give a name. Okay. So next time, this list view is for, okay, before that, a list view is an object that can display many lines of data, okay? Okay, or if you like, data of many objects at the same time, okay? So that's first thing. Then, next thing is here. You need to understand this one to pass. First of all, okay. Don't. Okay. If you don't understand this one, you will feel like already the practical test. This one. Practical 3, question 2. Okay. If you don't understand this one, you will feel like really because this, just now I say right, the practical will be from simple to more advanced. Okay. So this one is the intermediate one. Okay. Let's say a student even intermediate one cannot do. Of course, fail already. You cannot do intermediate. Of course, not likely to do advanced. So this one is a must to pass. Okay, meaning you must understand to pass, not to score like to pass only like Also, if you are not comfortable, you better pay attention like Okay, this one there are 2 things. Okay, you need to have a list to store objects. Okay. What this means, let's say now I got 20 students, okay? The students got a student ID, a name, address, whatever, okay? So I must store all the data inside this list. Okay. Later on, when I want to display, I may not want to display all the data, right? I may want to selectively display only the name and the telephone number only. Then I must go and get the value out and then put into another list. Okay, and this is a string. Okay, this is for display. This is to store the original complete data, all the objects. Okay, so take note of these two. There are two different uses. One is to store the data, the complete data. The other one is only store data that you want to display, and it's only the string. Okay, so I'm going to go next. Okay. Okay, when you got a list of data, of course you need to create this object first, and then you need to add inside here. Okay, this is the one that store all the objects of, in this case, cash card. Okay, it's not for display the data, storing the data only. Okay, so this one will come. Okay, there's no display. So after finishing this function or this method, nothing will be displayed yet because there's no display. You are only storing data in the computer. Okay. Okay. So let me now go through here again. Okay. We go to question 3. Slowly. Okay, this part. You see carefully. First thing, declare a list, card list to store cache card objects. So these are the storing the data, not for displaying. Just the data only. Okay, so this is this one. Okay, and then this one is just now the one. You go and come up with a method, create the objects, then put inside this list. Okay, the data are given here. Okay. Now it asks you to do this one. Okay. Okay. So this one we didn't ask you to do this one. This one need you to do this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step. And again, this is just intermediate and not advanced. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one. I hope you can see clearly, because this one should come out. In order to, okay, let me just check with you. Okay, we have done this part, created. Okay, which is this one. This one. Okay, we have done this part. Okay, we create object, put inside the card list. Okay. Then next, see carefully here. So we have done this. Display. This one display. This line. Assume that you know a lot of things. Okay. So in one step wrong only you won't display. So I'm going to show you how to display. Okay. So see carefully here. Okay, I want to display the information. Okay, I cannot simply get out from the just now the data one. I just put inside here. Okay, it's different. This one is the things I want to display. You see here, for each cache card in the cache card list. Okay, the object cache card is the object. Okay, I must go and format the value to be displayed. This is the value to display. Card ID equals to what? Balance equals to what? Okay. So for each card, I will have card ID 001, balance 330, and next one will be, so you keep adding. Okay, keep adding. Okay, so this one is the list that store the data to be displayed. Okay, it's string. Okay. This one is just now the number one list, store the objects. This is the list that stores the string. Okay, for each object, I go and form the data I want to display. Okay, I add into this list, another list. Okay. I can form this one anything I like. For example, I don't want card ID, I just want to display balance, also can. So meaning I got the data, right? Okay, I can selectively select what I want to display. Okay, in this case, I'm displaying these two. Okay, so at the end of this for loop, okay, the data they want to display are in this list, and they are all strings. First string, second string, third string, fourth string. Okay. After this, you just the list view they have created, the GUI, right? The list view, right? You just input equals to this cache card list. It will come up automatically. If there are 5 lines, it will display 5 lines. This one. This is for display. For display. Just now that line of display. This is a method to display.
My one, right?
What?
I just start from the 4 each. I never do the.
You put below here, huh?
Yeah, I never even do the public void update this thing. But you can
Yes.
start this.
You read the question carefully. This one, let me see this one need or not. Okay, so we are going to do this. I see. Okay, this one, the third one, I didn't ask you to write a method, so it's okay. Okay, meaning you can continue from just now that one. But in real life, normally it's a separate method. So read the question carefully. Okay, so read the question carefully. Okay, I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to run. Okay, the list view is here. Okay, so this is how we want it to be displayed. Okay, just like there are 5 cash cards right now. Okay, I want to show you. I can actually put some other message. Don't have to be cash card information. I'm going to show you this. Okay, you see here. I can actually go and do some more like this one will format all the data they are going to display. Okay, let's say before that I want to do something, I can also do this. I can also do this. Cash card. Let's say I want to give something different. I don't want to have a cash card data. Okay, I want to say something funny. Okay, it will also come out. What I'm trying to show that this list that I want to display don't have to be just the list of the objects. Okay, I can have a header if I need to also. Displaying something. I can do that. So let me show you if I run this one. Okay. See, I can display other things now, not just this one. So it's just a list of string, okay? Anytime I want to display any other information, I can just type in there, You can see I can also, for example, let's say instead of put card ID, I can actually put card ID balance. Then I can put 00125. I can do that also. Right now. Okay? What I'm trying to show is that the list to display is not just for your data, can be anything. Can be anything. The concept is that I got a list of data. It could be anything that you want. Is that clear? Okay, you got this method right now. Okay, you copy this one, Control C. Put inside the main here. Here you see. Here you do this one, then after that you display. Not clear. Get not clear is because the list. Let's say the list. Let's say this is a button. If I don't clear, like each time you just add to the previous one, So let's say you want to clear. You want to have an empty one. Okay, you clear it first.
The robot actually makes it update.
What?
Because when I add it, right?
Add what? Add what?
When I top up, right?
Ah.
When I top up, right? The list doesn't change.
Oh, okay. The list doesn't change because you don't have to change. I mean, can be made to change. Huh? Meaning you have to go and call the update view again, this view again. Inside the function, right, the update, right? After updating, right, you go and call this. You can't pay semicolon then you update, you go and check. How to call? Okay, let's say you should have a button method right now. Okay, call is something like this one. Each time you want to display, basically you call this method. Each time you want to display, you just call this method. Sorry? No, you cannot make it as in a loop because the GUI is there. You don't know what you want to do. You look. You can see you only when I want to update, for example, after updating, right? Okay, you have update. Then you want to re-display. You just go and call it again. Then. Straight output is which one? So you can do it before the don't need. Sorry? Okay, this one is we are going to get all the data to display one by one. So you will look, let's say there are 10 objects, you look 10 times. After looking, then the data is there. Then you just do this once, don't display properly. Rather than put in, then each time you do, you are wasting your time. So things like this one, right? If you don't do right, you will never follow. You cannot follow, right? If you are doing, then you are certain but not sure. When we explain, you can understand. If let's say you haven't do this, how to understand this one? That's why if you are not consistent, right, very tough for you. Must be consistent. I'm going to show you scroll up.
Miss some code. Okay. Oh, no wonder. Okay. I wonder it's not really common.
Okay, I'm going to show you the advanced part for this one. Okay, this part, these two parts. Okay, I'm going to do first part first. Okay, for the advanced part, first, okay, you come up with a button to search, okay, and then you can come up with a text box for you to enter what you want to search, okay. Then you come up with a text block to display, okay. Okay, so now you notice that we display information using list view or text block, okay. Text block is to display a single string, okay. List view is to display normally a list of many strings, okay. Then you just put a list view dot item source equals to this list, it will automatically come out. Okay, if I want to display just one single string, okay, you use a text block. Okay. Okay, so this one come up with a button, a text box, and then a text block for display. Okay.
So what?
This is just a text box. Text box.
Are you giving them a challenge or
No. Oh, this one. Okay, I'm telling you that you can create a simple user interface like this one. First one is a button. Okay, called search. Okay. Second one is a text box. Text box. Okay. So let me show you search you see the property here. Okay, the name is called button search. Okay, and then the below there the content is blank. Right, sorry, it's a search. Okay, it's not blank. I want to change it to search. Before there was button. Okay, that's first one. Okay, second one. Okay, it's a text box. Okay, the name is, I call it text ID. You can actually put any variable name. I'm searching by ID, so I put text ID. Okay. Then now the text is empty. There's nothing here. Okay. Before that there was a text box here. The name here is text box. Okay. Then there's a text block. I call it a text result. Okay, for displaying result. Okay. Okay. With these three, you go and double click on this one. The method will come out. I already implemented this method already. Okay, so if you like, if continue from just now, you got this method. Okay, the code inside here is like this. Okay, so you copy this code first, and then you can go and search already. Okay, you can go and copy this. Okay, afterwards I explain this code to you. When you click the button, it will execute this code. Okay.
It's a better version of what I do. What? CSP. The one that we can do also.
I think it's
Yeah, this one should say. Dia sakit nampak kan? Medical 4 is not difficult. Right, but anyway, I will go through subsequent lessons, meaning of the what is
white space, our lesson is on Thursday.
yeah.
On Thursday we are having a test.
Correct. Thursday we have lesson, then got test.
The test is also on week 4, right? It's on week 3.
Yeah, week 4 and week 3 is actually very similar. Just it's very similar. Except the it's still got classes, objects, but only that one is the subclass from the particular object from subclass, or I give you a complete class, you also the same. Basically the the usage is the same, exactly the same. Like the one part they create object, whether it creates a certain object or create a given class is the same. This part is a little bit fun. If you cannot work, mine also cannot work. It's true.
But your one got 3 try.
Is it? I don't think so lah. I never taste this part. I never taste it. Oh, I haven't stopped. This one, it is possible. There may be some other issues, but the logic is correct. I will try out and then let you know. Only remake the button. Sorry. You have to redo lah. I mean, text is already changing. Yes, correct.
Only like I want integers or these like changes.
Yes, numeric values. Let's say this is the integer value. Let's say you want to just put the same, also don't need to change. You only when you need to do calculation, right? Then you need to change. Because let's say display anyway is a string in the comma.
The top one is similar. Right? We use a
Yeah, right. The top part one is like that. Let me show you. The top part one basically you actually come up with you are making good use of this one also the searching, you know. You just basically come up with a top up. Okay, then
Do you need to modify the code in this the search again?
you need to update the amount. So yes, you need to put something inside there to update. After searching, you must update the value, right? Top up.
Like must put a public value.
What do you mean?
Update a public variable. The thing must be public.
Update this one.
Now I got a rough idea I can do it.
Okay, then I mean it's correct. It's like, for example, now we are using C panel, right? Inside here, right? Before displaying, right? Actually here now let's say it's update, right? You go and get the value from the right. Then you just put C dot balance plus equal to the new value. Okay, this is now
As you copy the same code.
same code now. Let me redo this one now. Okay.
I just see like the only person.
No, you see it. Let's say now I found this is the one that I'm looking for. I go and get this card. I already got this cash card already. So there's some balance inside, right? So now I just put C dot balance plus equals to the amount that you
But what I mean is like because this must be linked to the other button.
No, this one is another button already. You must cut and paste this one into another button. This code.
What I mean is right, if you never search any cup, you cannot top up, right?
Correct, right. You must get the red card. You must go get the red card. For example,
Basically,
if I got O4, I must get the O4
I
card.
must link this somehow.
No, this searching is to get you the red card. Let's say this is found, right? Then you got the C is the card that you are looking for. Then you can do something with the card really.
It automatically allow you to top up the other.
No, this cash card, the method there you got let's say now I got the
Oh, never mind, I understand.
there's a top up, is it? There's a top up. Then the better ask if we have implemented.
Okay, I understand it. I'm confusing myself already.
Yeah, you do slowly. Are you able to continue to do the top? Okay. Try yourself, or you can see whether you can do it yourself.
Example, you top up, right? If you never type anything, you cannot top up at all, right?
Just now,
Example,
yeah, you need to know which card you wanted to top up.
yeah, so usually this one must be linked to that one.
Oh, no, it can be separate. As in,
If you separate them, how you see inside the balance?
you want to link this way.
I see because you have two, or not?
So if they come and give like, let me.
But then it will be different for all the questions.
No, let me show you the key, right? Yeah, this one, never mind.
Because you search, then you then you top up. If like you top up, then you don't know which part you don't know. You search the priority.
Okay, let me show you the actual key, right?
Yeah, you just run. Yeah, I will create more.
You see, there's a card there. Okay, something like that.
Change the background.
So,
How change the color? That's the most important.
color, change color, you can do it this way. Our template predicate to have, but let me show you here.
These are all use the demo.
These are the color
Gradient stock color.
Okay, you go to predicate 2, there's a template, right? Okay. Okay. These are these two colors. You can go and change all the details here. Okay. 0 to F. Okay, let's say you put all zeros, I mean black color. Okay, you put one is gray color. So you can go play with this one.
This code, can I just take it online, the color code?
Yeah, correct. Okay.
But this one with this, this was one picture.
Yeah.
My color one linear color.
Okay, linear color. This one is let me show you the predicate 2 one. Predicate 2 one is not like that. The predicate 2 of which color, right? This one is okay. Let me show you this one. So basically, you can just play around with this color. Okay, this one is just our star. Just try to implement it. Okay, this color is like that. You see here. This color is like that. Okay. Okay, let me show you predicate 2 one. The template given to you. The template given to you. Predicate 2 template. Okay, so let me show you the behind. This one, just like the simpler. This one you can see now.
Still got gradient.
Okay, all this you can go and play with it. It's as we indicated to you, this one is not important at all. Okay, but if you are like, you just go and try. We are not no extra one. This is we will talk later. So now focusing on the writing the correctness. Sorry. Yeah, basically for today, I think.
What does this mean? This means that base to be used
Base means, let's say now I have a class. Okay, if I need to do something in the parent class. Okay, for example, in this case, string, right? Okay, to string, right? Okay, the data in the parent, right? Okay, is stored. I don't know the value, so I want to bring to string. I must get the one in the parent, which the parent already have. Okay, in the method, this method in the parent will be summarized. So I'm just calling this to string of this of the parent as well.
Then, but this is overriding, correct?
Right, because we have the same thing. Meaning, when I'm doing this one, right? Okay, you are calling this method, not calling this method. But of course, you call this method, you can actually call this one also. If you call this method, you can call this one. So of this call override. If I'm in this class, my string, although inside here I got my parent to string, so it's B.
So that means, right, do I always need to have one base? Can I just use base? Yeah, it's the same as base.
Base actually is there are many situations you need to use base because for example let's say okay, let me give another example.
Do you not use override?
So far string need to have override. Some other functions may not need to
Other
override.
methods, like what kind of instances where you have to use base?
Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say now I got a area of circle. Okay, I got 5 area, right? Then if I got a small cylinder is subclass of circle. So I can identify my area also. So I define area, that means there are 2 point area. Then I must override this one. When I'm calling point area from this object, you only execute only one. And normally, when you execute this one, for example, the area of this one, right? The value calculated is the base of the parent. So you must also call the base parent by this. Yeah, volume is like that, volume. Yeah, right. Something like that. You don't go and bring calculate. You go and get the height from there, then I mean the length or the radius, then you go and calculate. So you don't. Okay. So remember, you must know how to use list view, and then when you use list view, remember always got an associated list of string to use.
Bro, you not listen to movie, you must say that. Wait, phone back.